Good morning, everybody, and welcome to INP1501. My name is Prinavin, and I'm so happy to see that I've got quite a number of participants that are joining me. Anybody wants to unmute their mic and say hi, hello, how are you? Where are you calling us from? Anyone? Sibusiso. Hello, Sibusiso.
Hi, Prinavin.
Hi, how are you?
I already said hi.
I know you did, but
Or is
that
there
wasn't
another
in the recording.
Sibusiso?
That wasn't in the
Oh,
recording.
okay.
I didn't start the recording. So I generally start the lesson a few minutes early, and I ask anyone, permission for me to record them and to include them in the recording, because a number of students indicated in our WhatsApp group that they'd like to watch the recording. So that's why Sibusi. So forgive me. I know it's like deja vu. Did I ask you this or not? Okay.
No, not a problem.
Okay, great. Sibusi, so where are you calling us from, Sibusi?
I'm from Pretoria.
Pretoria. Oh, great, great. Where about in Pretoria? I used to study in Lodium.
Centurion.
Centurion. Oh, okay, the Transvaal Teacher College. That's where I was in Lodium. So I'm a former teacher, right? A former teacher. And
okay.
Sibusiso, you enjoying C++?
I haven't started, to be honest, Prinavin.
Ooh, okay, great. Then my job is easy. So not easy. It's actually, I have a job basically to teach you, right? I'm the tutor out here for COS 15. Well, I used to teach COS 1511, and now I'm teaching INP 1505. All right.
This one is it, right?
So,
Okay.
Sibusiso, I hope you'll benefit from this. So thank you very much for joining us. Anybody else would like to say hi, hello quickly for a minute or two? Kwena, I can see Kwena out there. Kwena Ramapu, is that correct?
Yes, it is.
Kwena, where are you calling us from, Kwena?
Northwest of Limpopo.
Northwest Limpopo. Oh, great, Kwena, great. And are you full-time studying, or are you also in employment, Kwena?
Employment.
Oh, so that's it. UNISA students, I have my greatest respect for them because they are juggling work, they're juggling studying, and they're juggling probably family 101, wife 102, children 103, and so forth. Okay? Okay, great. I can see there's a raised hand out there. Go ahead with the question quick for me. Hello. Yes, I see a question. Go ahead with the question. Okay, so, right, there's no question. Do you have a question? Yes, no, quickly? No question. All righty. Yes, go ahead with your question, sir. Msefako. Go ahead.
Hello.
Hello, how are you?
I'm okay. It's not a question.
Oh, you raised your hand. Please ask. Is it a comment?
No, it's nothing. I was just like scrolling through just to see a couple of
okay.
yeah.
Okay. That's fine. That's fine. That's great. That's great. Play around with Zoom. Is this your first experience with Zoom?
No, it's not my first
experience.
experience.
Okay. That's fine. Thank you very much for joining us. All right. So, are there any other modules that you are registered for at UNISA? No. Okay.
Hi,
Yes.
Mr.
Hi,
Lavender.
Latanya. Hello. How are you?
Can't complain. How are you?
I'm excellent now that you asked how I am, and that I have students all around the country. I've got from Limpopo, I've got them from Centurion in Pretoria. And where are you calling me from, Latanya?
I'm calling you from Boksburg.
Boksburg is in the house. Did I pronounce your name correctly, by the way?
Come again?
Did I pronounce your name correctly?
Yes, Latani.
Latani, great. Anybody from Durban? I'm from Durban, KZN, the sunny province of KZN, but it's a bit overcast today. I got Boksburg, Centurion, Limpopo. All right, great. Never mind, I'm representing Durban. So basically, I want to introduce myself and to tell you about how to start with this assignment 1. And I know it's been 24 hours since we heard that there's an e-tutor assigned to you. And the reason for me stressing is that you have an assignment due on the 15th of April. So if I look at INP1501, that's the main website. I'm sharing my screen with you. Sibosiso, just tell me that you can see my screen. I'm sharing it with you. Are you able to see it? Sibosiso? Or Quena? Quena, are you there, Quena? You said you got a good connection.
Yes, we can see the screen.
Yes, I can see the screen.
Great. Quena,
I
can
can
you see
also
that?
see it, Prinavin.
Great, Sibosiso. So, Quena, you'll notice that the assessment opened on the 8th of January, and it's going to close on the 15th of April. And you have, well, you won't know this, I can see it. There's 154 students that have attempted the assignment, but there's 422 students. So quite a number of students haven't attempted this assignment, right? And you have to do this. You have to do it, right? And I'm going to assist you and give you some strategies in how to answer the assignment questions. Quena, and just a disclaimer, I do not answer assignment questions, Quena. Okay? Sibosiso?
Yes, noted.
Right? So don't ask me for answers, right? I'm not supposed to do that. Besides, I'll make you lazy. Then you'll think, you know, you got to request answers from me. Okay, so that's the assignment. This is the main site, INP1501. That's the module site. Now, my site is INP1501-24. That's 2024. Y1, Y is, and 1E, year, Y means year, 1E is the group that's been assigned to me. All right, so different tutors will have different groups assigned to them. So, Quena, I'm now sharing my screen, and you should be able to see INP1501-24-Y-1E. And Quena, I also have access to when you have accessed the site or not. So, Quena, your first name starts with a K, and your surname, Quena?
Ramabu.
Sorry, the first letter is R.
Yes, R-A-M-A-B-U.
All right, right. So let me see if Quena is indeed my student. I know Quena. There we go, Quena. Quena, you are my student. And Quena, guess what, Quena?
Yes.
Quena, you've never accessed my site, Quena.
Well, I think when I came on, the assignment was not opened yet. But
Oh,
I did check the first lesson about header files. I did check that lesson.
Okay, that's all right. That's okay. So, Quena, would you do that for me? Would you go and log into this site, Quena?
No, not a problem. I'm on it.
Right, you're going to do it. And let me tell you why you're going to log into it, Quena. There's something called additional resources on the left-hand side. Quena, can you see this? Additional resources. Quena? Sibosiso, can you see that on the left-hand side? Additional resources.
Yes, I can see that.
Great. Now watch this. I'm going to click on it. And what do you see out there?
The past year examination papers.
Yes. Now let me, Sibosiso, you said you didn't start, right? So one way of tackling this course is to look at what they've done in the previous year, right? 2023, 2022. I'm going to give you 2023 paper, right? I've done this for a number of years. So past behavior is a good indicator of future behavior. You understand that, Sibosiso and Quena?
I've got it.
You got it?
Yes.
Right? So, Quena, if you log into this group, you are going to be able to access the past year exam papers. So in order to do that, you'll go to additional resources and you'll click on 2022. So if you come next week, I'll probably post 2023 paper as well. What do you say to that? Quena?
Yes, please.
Right. Great. Okay, so I've also got some reference texts as well, C++ for dummies. Not that I'm saying that you're a dummy or anything, but you can watch that, right? And I've also got a little video out there. And I'm going to tell you more about my YouTube channel and where you can access all my past year videos. Oh, I skipped this one here about an announcement. So under announcements, there we go. I posted the Zoom meeting and I said a little welcome message to you. And I told you who I am and what I expect from you. And this site is an offshoot of the main site, all right? And here's all the data types, and here's my email address, and I've even given you my cell phone number. So please respect my privacy as well. Don't call me like 11, 12 o'clock at night and 1 o'clock in the morning, because my phone will be off for one. Or over the, well, weekends, it's because you are working, so that's why I keep you on the Saturday, right? And Quena, if I may ask, do you like the Saturday class at 12 o'clock? Quena, what do you say to that?
Yes, I don't mind, but I might miss it some weekends because I have to work.
That's fine.
But I'll catch the recording.
That's fine. That's fine, Quena. Listen, it's not compulsory for you to attend these Zoom sessions. It's just that I like to take the distance out of distance learning. And also, Quena, when we have a Zoom session, it makes life easy. You can ask a question like Peter. Peter logged in before you and he had a question, and I was able to answer his question straight away. No emailing back and forth, WhatsApping back and forth, and all that goes with it. And I'm also able to answer, you must remember there's 422 students on this course. You may have the same question that 10 other students have. So in a Zoom session, I'm able to answer all of you like that, all right? So,
Yes.
and with this session, Quena, you are able to ask me questions. And I see I keep my video on as well. You can see that you're talking to me and not a robot or a chat GPT, right? And with that, please feel free to stop me anytime to ask me a question. Maybe you want to test me to see how much I know, how much I don't know, and whether I am worthy of being your e-tutor or not, all right? But I can guarantee you this. In fact, I can take a bet with you. If you attend all my Zoom sessions, you listen to what I have to say, my exam strategy, you watch my YouTube videos, you answer past your papers, and Quena, if you don't pass at the end of the year, Quena, here's my challenge and my bet to you. Quena, I will refund you your entire registration fees for INP 1501. What do you say to that, Quena?
The aim is to.
The aim is to pass. But just in case you attended all my lessons, you listened to all that I said, you answered the past year papers, you watched the PowerPoint, you listen to my videos, and you still don't pass. Quena? Oh, your network is buffering.
Yes, network is bad, so.
Yeah, okay. Who spoke there? Is that Sibusiso? No, not Sibusiso.
Wonga speaking.
Prinavin?
It was Wonga.
Yes, that's correct, sir.
Wonga, right. Wonga, I'm going to take a bet with you as well. And Quena. If,
Okay.
listen to this bet,
Excuse me,
Wonga.
Prinavin?
Yes.
I'm listening.
Wonga.
Sorry for interrupting. I
Sure,
just
sure.
wanna move from cell phone to laptop quickly because I
Sure.
keep receiving calls and they're disturbing me.
Oh,
Just
Quena, whenever you're on the call
explain.
with me, you delete all other calls, right? You just cancel all other calls. And Quena, you can erase all other WhatsApp messages and WhatsApp contacts. The only important contact is INP 1501, all right?
Yeah, let me move from
Okay.
phone to laptop.
Sure. Wonga, are you there, Wonga?
I'm still here, sir.
Right. Wonga, here's my bet to you. I'm not a gambling man, right, Wonga?
Okay.
So Wonga, and I'm recording this as well, so you can keep this as a proof that this is what I'm going to do. So Wonga, if you attend my Zoom lessons, you answer my past year questions, not mine, the course past year papers, you watch my YouTube videos, and you have a good assessment mark in terms of the assignments, right? Wonga?
I'm still listening.
Right, Wonga? And if you still don't pass, Wonga, I'm going to refund you your entire registration fees. What do you think about that bet, Wonga?
Ah, that's a good bet.
That's a good bet. That's a good bet. Are you prepared to take the challenge, Wonga?
Yes.
Right, Wonga, I make this challenge to everybody. I've been in education for 29 years, right? I've been tutoring, I've been in higher education for 24 years, right? I'm a lecturer at a University of Technology. Nobody has ever come back to me and said, sir, I want my registration fees because I listened to you, I did everything you said, and I still didn't pass. Wonga, is that a great bet to take, Wonga? Am I that confident? Can I do that, Wonga, with you?
Yes, more than welcome.
Perfect. Does that show you how confident I am in my abilities to teach you and for you to be able to pass this course? Wonga?
I've got full confidence.
Great.
Confidence in you.
So step number one, Wonga, I want you to go and download this past year paper, right? You go to additional resources and you go and have a look.
I've already downloaded the papers.
Oh my gosh, you're a fast student. Excellent. Would you like 2024 paper as well, Wonga?
Yes, please. If you can just add them on my UNISA
That was a
portal,
joke.
and then...
That was a joke, Wonga. 2024 hasn't been written as yet.
Oh.
I caught you out there. Okay, so let's look at 2022 paper, right? 2023 paper, I'm going to show it to you next week, right? So let me download 2022 paper and let's see what they are testing us on, right? So in 2022, oh, there's the lecturer. She says, let's see what she wants to test the students on. What is the output of the following code fragment? Oh, Wonga, you can check this out, Wonga. They've got a while loop. Wonga, I can take a bet with you the while loop is coming out in 2024. You know how I know that, Wonga? Wonga, don't put your mic off.
Sorry, I was talking off mute.
Oh, okay,
I'm with you, sir.
No problem. Wonga, I'm going to take another bet with you. The while loop is going to appear in 2024. You know how I know that, Wonga?
How?
Because it appeared every single year, Wonga.
Okay.
Right.
Noted.
Right, let's look at this next one. What is the value of X after the following statements have been executed? Wonga, I can tell you in this case, they are testing you on whether you understand board mass, right? And this will appear again in 2024. I promise you, Wonga, or I'll refund you your registration fee plus the value of this course. What do you think about that, Wonga?
I'm in.
Ah, there we go. What is the value?
Recorded.
Yes, and it's recorded as well. And it's recorded. Like I said, in 29 years, nobody has come up to me and said, sir, I want my registration fees back again, right? Because that's how I know it. And guess what? It's recorded, and I'm so confident that I know that I will be able to, justify that I don't have to pay you. Because guess what, Wonga? I don't make bets that I don't win. Okay? Let's look at question number 4. Look at that question number 4. Where is the, oh, there we go, output of the program. Oh, Wonga, look at this question number 5. What is the value of X after the following statement has been executed? Wonga, they're testing you on whether you understand what happens with division, remainder after division. There's something called modulus. Wonga, did you read about what modulus, Wonga? Wonga.
To be honest, I'm still new to this
That's fine.
online.
That's fine. I'm just telling you, I'm taking the bet with you, right? So Wonga, I want you to don't concern yourself, Wonga, that you can't answer these questions, because this is only at the end of the year that you're going to be able to, right? At the end of the module, all right? But what I want you to do is to keep the end in mind, that this is what you have to do at the end of it all. You've got to answer this question, right? Now, in order to answer this question, you've got to complete all the assignment questions, right, Wonga? Wonga?
I'm with you, sir.
With you, right? Great, Wonga. Okay, I'm just because you got a good Wi-Fi connection and you got your mic on, right? So Wonga, did you start assessment 1, Wonga?
No, I even attempted assessment 1.
Okay. That's great. That's fine. I'm here to help you. Wonga, there's something else you must know about me. If you've spent 15, 20 minutes or half an hour with me and you did not learn one brand new thing, Wonga, you wasted your time with me. All right? Wonga?
Yeah.
Did you waste your time with me, Wonga? Did you waste your time with me?
No, I'm not. I'm not wasting.
You and I
I'm
have
already
a bet.
learning now.
Of course, you and I have a bet, Wonga. And what's the bet?
The bet is, if I don't pass this module at the end of the year,
Yeah.
you have to refer me.
Correct. But what's the disclaimer? Basically, I'm telling you what do you need to do in order to pass this thing, Wonga?
I need to attend all your sessions, your Zoom
Good.
sessions, and watch all your WhatsApp, YouTube videos. I mean, yes.
Yes. Oh, you mentioned something about WhatsApp. Did you answer my WhatsApp question, Wonga?
No, not yet.
Oh, you see, if you have to say now, Prinavin, I failed this thingy, and then I'm going to ask you, Wonga, did you answer my WhatsApp questions? And then you say no, then I say, hey, it's null and void, right? Wonga, do you know we have a WhatsApp group, Wonga?
Yes, I am on the WhatsApp group.
Did you see my questions there, Wonga? Wonga, I posted some questions there.
Let me just
Govinda,
WhatsApp.
I'm going to share. I'm going to do that share for you now, right?
Mr. Govinda, before you move too
Yes.
fast.
Oops, sorry.
On the WhatsApp group, is it there on the website, the link to join your WhatsApp group?
Okay, I'll share the link.
Because
I'll
I
share.
see yes, please.
I think that's a good idea.
Okay. Okay, let me put that in the chat for you now. Invite to group via link, copy link. So you open up the chat, Wonga.
Yeah.
Yes, I can hear someone's, oh boy, how do you do this, Wonga, this chat story? Can somebody please post the WhatsApp group on the chat?
Or maybe post it here on the Zoom chat.
Yeah, that's what I'm trying, Wonga. I'm trying to do that. Q&A, chat. Let's see. Cyril. Okay, let's go to everyone. Wonga, I've posted on the chat. Have a look at it. See if you got it.
Okay, that's fresh.
While we're waiting for Wonga to do that, anybody else is online? Anyone wants to has a question for me? Hello, anyone with a question? Come on, this is your
Nothing
time to
from my
speak. Okay, all right. If you don't have a question, you don't have, that's fine. Anybody with a question?
I got the link.
Hi.
Yes, hello. Who are
It's
you?
not-
Please identify yourself.
My name is Yolanda.
Hello, Yolanda. Where are you calling us from?
Currently in Devon.
Yay! My neighbor. Hello. I'm also in Durban. Right. How can I help you, Yolanda? What's your question?
There's some people on the WhatsApp group that are struggling to join the Zoom session. So maybe if you can also copy the link for the Zoom session, because
It's in the WhatsApp link. It's in the WhatsApp, Yolanda.
but the one that you posted on the WhatsApp is the one for registering to join the
Yes, they have to register
Zoom.
to join.
Okay.
Yeah. It's
Because
also
when I
in the
tried
email. It's also in the
the
email,
one-
Yolanda.
Okay, let me go. The one on the email as well. There's a link that says that join the meeting, right? But now the
Right.
problem is that when I tried to use that button to join the meeting, it was not allowing. It was showing me that gateway. I had to physically copy the link and then
Yes.
put it separately on a browser.
Excellent. Thank you for that. So Yolanda has said that you need to physically copy the link and put it into a browser. Thank you, Yolanda. That's a hack you created for us. Well done. Great. So I'm going to post that link, or I can't post it in, I posted in the WhatsApp. By the way, that's why I have a WhatsApp. Right? That's why I have a WhatsApp. So that I'm able to, you know, if you can't get onto Zoom, I will post on the WhatsApp group or such. But I can tell you something else, Yolanda. I'm a guy, so multitasking is a bit difficult for me, Yolanda. You know, to work between WhatsApp and Zoom and code blocks and assignment one and all of it. All right. See, I got somebody saying, waiting for this message. Check your phone. Oh my goodness. Right. Yolanda, Wonga, are you back on Wonga? You with me?
I'm with you, sir.
Right.
100%.
Right. So Wanga, if you just joined the WhatsApp group, I don't think you'd see my my question that I asked, right? But here it is on the screen. Wanga, can you see my screen? It says a variable name can consist of a lowercase letter, an uppercase letter, both uppercase letter and lowercase letter, a space, or it can start with a numerical value. Wanga, do you see the question?
Yes, I see the question, sir.
Right. Now, let me tell you something else about me, Wanga. I will never ask you a question if I don't have an ulterior motive.
Okay.
Wanga? Wanga?
I'm listening.
Right? Quena, you've got it, you've raised your hand. How can I help you, Quena?
Oh, yes. I just wanted to ask, in terms of the resources that we need for the course, I haven't checked yet. I just wanted to ask, is there any special software that we need to install before we can start coding?
Yes, you
and
do.
compiling
Code blocks.
programs?
Code blocks. You need code blocks, but I'll give you a hint as to where an online compiler, right? Okay, let me just let Quena, can you keep your question? If I don't answer that, you can ask me towards the end, right? But Wanga, here's my question to you, Wanga. 4 people
Yes,
said
sir.
that a variable name can consist of lowercase letters. 18 people said both uppercase and lowercase, right? So the question is between the 18 people and the 4 people. Where do you slot in, Wanga?
Since it's a variable, I think
Yeah.
it has to consist of both.
Of both, okay.
So
So
I'm
think
with
of
the
a
18
variable
people.
name. A variable comes from the word vary, right? It is a
Mm.
container that we use in programming. Now, Wanga, you must remember, I'm only going to see you once a week, okay? You'll have to spend some
Okay.
time with programming every day, and you'll have to go through your guides, right? Your study guide. And
Yes.
this question, the reason I'm doing this question, Wanga, is because it appears in assignment 1. Right? Like I said,
Oh,
Wanga, I will never do something if I don't have an ulterior motive. Right, Wanga? All right, so
Okay.
Wanga, here's my ulterior motive, why I'm asking a question like that. If you look at assessment 1, which is taking so long to open up, there we go. Right? Ooh, since I opened it up, there's 2 people that have attempted it. Right? If I look at assessment 1, the first question man talks about is dealing with the way variables are named. So, Wanga, I just want to ask you a question, Wanga. In your name, do you have any numbers in there? Are you called Wanga 1, Wanga 2, or anything?
No, I don't.
No. Me too, right? I'm Prinavin, right? But if you check the number of participants, there's another Prinavin out there. So, Wanga, when we are naming, let's say, I'm not sure if you're married or you have children or what, Wanga, but you'll always name them with alphabets, right, Wanga?
Yes,
Right,
correct.
so you'll never put in a number, right? But the
Uh-uh.
way programming works, a variable name, you can, if you like, include, like, in this case, look at this. They've got 3_com, right? But you can't have a space in there. Now, you know where I know all about this, Wanga? You know where I know all about this,
How?
Wanga? Guess where? Wanga? Wanga?
I'm still here.
Right. Guess where I know about all these rules about variable names from, Wanga?
I think it's that study guide. That you.
Yeah, this is like my Bible. All right? This is like my Bible. So if I go and look at, I'm going to look for variable names, right? How do we name these variables, right? So it says, note that variable name has no meaning to the computer whatsoever. You can change the name H to pumpkin or whatever you talk about. Oh, so there they mention something about variable names. And they talk about variable names having particular rules, right? So let's go to somewhere else. Can numeric characters and any letters of the alphabet be used in a variable name, and in what order? Ooh, what other characters can and cannot be used in a variable name? let's listen to what else they tell me about. They say, C++ has a number of so-called reserved words, and you may not use a reserved word for a variable name. Wanga,
Oh,
you see that, Wanga? So
yes, yes.
you cannot, if there's a reserved word, you cannot use that as a variable name. All right? And I found that in my study guide. This is my Bible. Right? This is where all my answers are going to be found. Then they tell me something about C-in. I cannot use C-in. A common is, and it goes on and on and on. Now, Wanga, I'll be doing you a disservice if I don't show you in terms of code blocks how I can verify this, right? So Wanga, I'm sharing my screen right now.
I can see.
Right? And Wanga, this is code blocks. Quena, are you there with me, Quena?
Yes, I am.
Quena, this is what you need to download, code blocks.
Okay.
Okay? Right? You need this software to be able to answer the questions because assignment 2, you need this. But I'm going to teach you another one about online GDB where you're able to access it and on the net, right? So, Quena, you don't mind, I have to put Quena's name as well, Kwena, right? So Quena, you are a variable, Wanga, you're a variable. Is that okay?
That's okay, sir.
Right, right. So see how I've labeled it. Now, watch this. If I compile this, Quena, this is how you compile it. You click on this little gear and you build it. And it says, hey, 0 errors. I'm so happy. And let me just run this program so I can say, I'm not sure if you'll be able to see my screen. There we go. Quena, how's that, Quena?
Oh, yes, I see the program.
Yeah. Hello, C++, INP1501 students. Right, Quena, let's just make it a little bit more exciting. I'm going to say, instead of saying all the INP1505 students, I'm going to say, hello, Wanga and Kwena, right? How's that? I compile my program. Compile means I'm taking whatever I've written in English. Can you see hello and Wanga and all of that? I'm converting that into something that the computer can understand, right? And if it accepts it, it says there's no errors and all of that goes with it. If you look at the bottom of my screen, it says 0 warning, 0 errors. It's going to give me an output. Okay?
Okay.
Check it out. Check it out.
Wow.
Come on. Hello, Wanga and Quena.
Sir, quick question for me.
Yes, Wanga.
I've been trying to do this, like, I don't know how many times.
Don't worry. At the end of in the next half an hour, you'll be able to do it yourself.
Okay, all right.
Right.
Okay.
Wanga.
I'm still here.
Wanga.
Yes, sir.
I asked you a question.
How are
Wanga.
you? I'm fine.
I'm glad.
Right.
Right. So I've actually written a program to ask you that question, right? See, this is what computer programmers do. We take something easy and make it complicated, right? Instead of me just asking, how are you? I will write a program to ask you, how are you? Okay, Wanga? Wanga, that's a joke. Come on, Wanga.
Maybe I'm taking this too serious. I don't know.
Yeah, you're taking it too seriously, right?
Yeah.
Wanga, right. Listen to the next question, right?
It's stressing me out, that's why.
Nah, don't be stressed, man. You got me here. I'm going to help you. Right? Wanga, I'm going to build it. I'm building it. And I'm going to run the program. There's my little samosa. And I know you're not an Indian, but we call triangle samosas, right? Okay, so Wanga, there's my little samosa there, my play button. Wanga.
Building. Now, where are you from? Should I answer that question? Okay, I'm based in Mossel Bay.
Mossel Bay. Oh my goodness, Mossel Bay in the house.
Yes.
Okay, that's fine. So basically, Wanga, you said you do not know how to do this. I've answered this. This is the little program that I wrote, okay? I'm going to get into it, but for now, I want to answer the first assignment question, right? So Wanga, instead of
Okay, no
saying,
problems.
right, instead of saying Wanga, I'm going to call it Wanga 1, right? And I'm going to call it Quena 1 because they tell me that variables can have numbers in there, right? Let's see if it accepts it. Let's run it. Hey, 0 errors. That means the compiler is accepting it, right? Now, let me go and put the number in the front of here, right? Let's see what happens now. Wanga, I'm now calling my variable to Wanga. Let me see what happens, Wanga. Oh, no.
Okay.
Oh, no. Wanga, can you read those red writing at the bottom of the screen, Wanga?
It says error invalid, suffix
No,
Quena,
invalid.
on
Invalid.
integers constant.
Yeah. Quena, you can check that out, Quena. You are invalid. 2 Quena is invalid. Oh, Quena lost. I lost Quena. Let me go and put Sigo there for that.
So does this mean that the number must always be at the back after the letters?
You tell me. You tell me. I don't know. You tell me. You tell me. I've shared my screen now. So if I look at this, is this a valid variable name? 3com. Can I have 3com? Wanga?
No, you can't.
Yeah, just like I can't have 2com, right? Or 2 Wanga, right?
Yeah.
Because the number must not be in the
No.
front of it, right? Okay?
Mm.
Wanga? I'm now going to put in a capital letter Wanga.
Okay.
Wanga, Quena's not with us, right? Let's see if it accepts it, right, Wanga? Yay, it accepts it. Check it out. So I can have a mixture of both capital letters and small letters in my variable name. This, you are now a variable name. Wanga, let me put 3 underscore Wanga. Is that okay, Wanga? Does it accept that?
It does accept
no,
it.
it doesn't.
No, it does not.
No, it doesn't.
doesn't.
Look at the red. Look at the red at the bottom there. Red means stop. Red means danger, right? So let me go back to my assignment question,
yeah.
Wanga. So
Might be before
we've learned from what we've done just now that you cannot name a variable with a number in the front of it. You can have capital letters and small letters, but a number mustn't be in front of it. Okay, Wanga? Wanga.
Okay. I'm still
Okay.
here.
Right, you're still there. Great. So, you know where I've learned all of this, Wanga? This is from the study guide.
Yes.
Remember I showed you in the study guide? Wanga.
Yes, it's still open here on my laptop
Right.
too.
Good. Right? Wanga. I'm now going to put in a special character. Let's put a special character like an ampersand. Right? Oh, let me not do the same thing as a question paper, right? Like assignment. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Wanga, I cannot have a variable named with a special character in there. You check that out, Wanga?
Yeah, I'm
Wanga,
seeing
you
Wanga
check that.
add.
Quena, did you notice that?
Yes,
People
yes.
see so?
Yeah, we see that.
Yes, I
Right.
did.
You cannot have a special character, right? So
Mhm.
whichever one's got a special character is not there, right? Let's look at the next one now, right? Next question, question number 2. Which of the following is not a valid variable name? Return my integer total 3. Ooh. Wanga,
Yeah.
what did I say about variable names, Wanga, and reserved words? What did I say about
Okay, you
reserved
said
words? A variable name cannot have a reserved word, okay?
yes.
Right? Now, the
For
reserved
most
word
time.
out here is written in blue. Can you see this word using namespace, Wanga?
Yes.
That's a reserved word. That means I cannot interfere with that. Can you see the word STD, Wanga?
It's green, yes.
It's green. It's a reserved word. You cannot change that, right? Can you see INT, Wanga, in line number 5?
Yes, I can see INT. It's also
That's a
blue.
reserved word. INT is a reserved word. See out is a reserved word. Reserved means it's used by this program, which Quena is going to download code blocks, and he is going to be able to use the program and run it. Okay? So you cannot have a reserved word as a variable name because you're confusing the computer. You're confusing it. In line number 6, you have the word return. In line number 9, you have the word return. So it's not going to like that. Okay? Wanga?
Noted, sir.
Good. Quena?
Yes, sir.
Right? So I've given you another hint as to what's happening in this assignment question. Let's look at the next one. What is the value of X after the following statements have been executed? Now, you must remember Sibusiso and Quena. I don't have time. I've got, other things to worry about. Right, Quena? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I don't have time for all of that. I'm going to give you a hint.
Yes,
how
you
to
do.
have- Right? Okay, Wanga, Quena, remember I told you I don't answer assignment questions and all of that, right? So I'm not going to
Yes,
answer
you
that,
said
right?
so.
So nobody can say I answered this assignment question for you, right? Which I don't. Right. So guess what I did, Quena and Wanga? I took the assignment question. I've got a compiler, and the compiler is code blocks. Ma'am said you must use this, Ms.
Yes.
Sivalasi, and you take whatever's in the assignment question. Right? Where's the assignment question? Here's the assignment. What is the value of X after the following statement has been executed? So they want you to do a trace of this program, basically to find out what it is. And one way of doing it is to type it into the compiler and to see what the answer comes up. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, Wanga? So I typed it out, right? But I didn't type out the assignment question because I don't want you all to copy that, right? So I compiled it. And yay, it ran, but it gives me no errors. But now I've got to display the value, right? C out and X. This is how if you read through your notes, Wanga and Quena and Sibusiso and Yolanda, you'll know what C out means. C out, nobody asked you that question. It simply says display the output to the on the screen, right? Console output. By the way, I know so much, but as a teacher, I've got to break it down so that I teach you bits and pieces. So let me just run this, compile this program. Yay. Yes, it's fine. Let me use the compiler. That's the whole purpose of us learning to program. We want to use the computer to be able to answer that for me. And I get an answer of 126. Now, Wanga, Yolanda, Sibusiso, Quena, check it out. The value of X is 20, Y is 20, the value of Z is 6. In line number 9, it says Y multiplied by Z plus 6. It takes whatever the value of Y is. If you had a pencil, you can write it on the top there. It says 20 times 6, which is 6 times 2, 120.
120.
120.
120 plus 6 is?
126.
Yeah. Now let me see if I'm correct. Yay, you're correct, right? Now, Wanga, as a teacher, I need to change this value, right? Wanga, let me see how good you are in maths. Right. Wanga, what's the answer?
That's gonna be 3 times 10. 36. Should be 36.
Quena, is it easy, right?
Yes, he is.
You sure? Let me ask the girl.
Yes, I have.
Yolanda, the guy says that it is 10 times 3, which is 30 plus 6. Yolanda, are you with me?
Yes, actually, it's correct.
You think it's correct? I don't believe you, and I don't believe Quena, and I don't believe Sibusiso. I'll only believe what the computer says. So let me go and compile the program for me. Compile the program. By the way, anybody wants to take a bet with me? I think the answer is going to be 36. Anybody?
That's the right answer, actually.
Huh? 36.
You already
36.
said that is wrong, so choose another number.
No. I'm
no.
saying 36. I'm saying 36.
No, it is 36.
No.
36.
If I get it right, then I'm worthy of teaching, all right? Okay, let me run the computer. Let's see. Hey, I won! Oh, I forgot to take the bet with you, right? Okay? Okay? Right. Now, I'm going to change it a little bit. Let me see now. Okay, so y'all said it's 36. Let me see what it's now going to be. Right? Oh, you said it's 36.
Yes.
Oh, Quena, you said it's 36.
Yes, I did.
Right. Yolanda, what do you say the answer is?
It's gonna be 90 now.
It's gonna be
Wait,
90.
wait.
90.
My bad. I'm thinking of the previous one.
No, too late. You said it's 36. I'm going to say, I'm not, it's not 36. I'm going to say it's going to be 3 plus 6 is 18. 18 times 3, 180. I'm going to say it's 180. You said 36. All right, let's see who's the winner here. Let me just compile this
90.
program.
It's 90.
90.
And multiply. Whoa! How did I get that? How did you get that? Tell me, how did you get that?
You use the program.
Yes.
The BODMAS.
Very good. Very good.
Yeah.
Board mass. When did you learn about board mass, Yolanda?
You just told us now that you must use the BODMAS when you
Did
see
I?
the brackets.
I must be getting old. Yeah, right. Okay, so that's how they're going to confuse you in the assignment and the exam, right? They can test whether you know board mass. Board mass is actually taught in high school or primary school, all right? So this is how you learn programming. This is what the compiler is all about. You use this compiler, Quena, and you use this Wonga and Yolanda to test what you know. This is called tracing through the program, right? That's also a part of the assignment question. If you look at this question, it says, oh, did I do the assignment question? 10 times 6 is 30. Oh, no. I didn't do the assignment question. All right, question 3. I didn't do that. Oh, look at question number 4. Look at question number 4. What is the value of x after the following statements has been executed? Oh, look at that. Look at the next one. What is the value of x after the following statement has been executed? Wonga, would you be able to answer these questions,
Sir.
Wonga?
I think I'll be able to answer these.
Yes. Did I give you a strategy of how to answer it?
Yes, you did some.
Right. Now you've downloaded code blocks. Quena, on the other hand, hasn't downloaded code blocks. Quena.
I've downloaded.
Oh, good. Quena, you with me?
Yes.
Quena, this is what you're going to do for me,
Yes, I
Quena.
am.
Because guess what? We don't have time now, right? We are rushing. We're rushing to finish this assignment, Quena. Are you rushing to finish this assignment, Quena? Quena,
No, yes.
are you rushing to finish this assignment?
No. I'm not rushing. I'm gonna do it thoroughly.
Nah, I mean, don't
want
just
high marks.
rush to finish the assignment. Right? Just tell me, don't you have other work to do, Quena? Don't you have other things to do, Quena?
Well, I did, but this weekend is for this assignment.
Yeah, but don't you have like a wife or a girlfriend or something like that to worry about as well?
They understand.
Oh, very good. Right, Quena, right now, they don't understand because you know what? Quena, you haven't downloaded code blocks. Quena,
Yes.
you haven't downloaded code blocks, isn't that so?
Yes, I haven't.
Right. Now, because you haven't downloaded code blocks, I want you to use the online compiler. Okay?
Okay.
Right. So there's it out here. You go to onlinegdb.com. Right? Control C. I'm going to post this in our WhatsApp group, right? Wonga, you better answer my questions in the WhatsApp group, Wonga. Right.
I will, sir. I will.
Right. Now, so what you're going to do is, Wonga, if you have your laptop available, you can also type in onlinegdb.com, right?
Yes,
And
I'm doing
then
that also.
you're going to delete. You're going to go on the right-hand side. It says language is C++. That's the language you're going to have. And by the way, Wonga, if I run for politics, I'm going to make the 13th official language a computer programming language in South Africa. Right. Okay. So now let's go to the assignment now, right? So you take the assignment again, you go to assignment, and it says, where's the assessment? Right, there we go. What is the output? See, they keep on asking me, what is the output? What is the output? What is the output? Right? What is the output? You check that out. What is the
Can I
output?
ask
What is the output?
something?
Yes, please do. Please do.
I've noticed that when we're dealing with numbers, we don't use like the inverted commas on the. Can you kindly go back to the code
Sure.
block? that
Sure,
I can
sure,
show you.
sure. I'm in
Yes,
code blocks.
yes, on number 11 on the see out, the arrows, we didn't use the inverted commas, but when we did the hello world, we used the inverted commas. Like,
Beautiful
why?
question. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Right? Right, watch this now, right? Yolanda, did you see that?
Yes.
Yolanda, right? Can you see that, right? Watch this. I'm going to compile this and I'm going to run this now, right? Check it out, check it out.
Okay.
You saw that? It's like when I asked Wonga, where is he?
Yes.
Wonga, right? Now that's a string. So this inverted comma simply types whatever is in there. Whatever you type, it'll type it out, right? But if I don't put this inverted commas,
Okay.
then I'm displaying a variable. Remember, I used the word variable. I said it varies. It's a container that stores something, right? If I don't have the inverted commas, then I'm referring to it as a variable name, okay? But if I have inverted commas, then it's a, and I can type whatever I want in there. The computer will just go in. I can even swear if I want to, you know. All right, let me go and compile it. Can you see that, Yolanda? Can you see that? Right, I even...
Yes.
Right? But if I don't have the inverted commas, that means it is a variable. I'm calling it by its variable name. Thank you for that question. But when you ask me a question, then I know how to structure my lesson, right? Okay, Yolanda, can you see I've declared you to be a variable, and now I can compile it, and I can run it. Oh, it doesn't have Z, so I'm going to change this to Yolanda, right? And thank you, Yolanda, for the question. See, I turned the lesson into another direction. Yolanda, you said that you see what's happening to Yolanda?
Yes, sir.
Right, let me run the program. So there we go, right? Can you see it works out? Thank you for that question.
Yes.
Now, Yolanda, did you download code blocks?
No, I am using the internet one.
Which one?
I forgot the name. I just typed on Google.
GDB.
And then it appeared.
What's it called? Do it quickly now.
Let me check. Yeah, I don't know.
Okay, never mind, right?
Hmm?
There we go. So
Okay.
Yolanda, you can also use create a new project.
GPD.
Yes, GDB, right? Online GDB.
Yes,
right?
GDB.
You also use online GDB, right? And it's not pasting it for me. Let me see why it's not pasting it. Right click and paste. There we go. Yolanda, am I a fast typist, Yolanda?
Yes.
I know. I'm so fast. Wonga, am I a fast typist, Wonga? Wonga left us. Sibusiso, am I a fast typist?
Yes.
Yeah, thank
Yes,
you,
you are.
Yolanda. Yes, I am, right? So all I did is I Control V and I paste it, or right click and paste it, right? Let me just make it beautiful over here. Beautify. You know how your ladies got to put makeup and all of that? This is how programmers beautify their program, right? We just click on the beautify button. How? Isn't that beautiful? Yolanda? Yolanda, isn't that beautiful? I got your name in there, Yolanda. Yolanda.
Excuse me, sir, how did you beautify that?
It seems that there's two Yolandas here, so we get confused which one you're talking to.
Oh, okay. I know what I'm going to make it. Right. Yolanda 1. There we go. Yolanda 1.
Yes.
Right, Yolanda 1. Yolanda 1, how did I beautify Yolanda 1?
It's very beautiful.
Yeah, click on the beautify button over here, man. There we go. Just click on the beautify button. All right, Quenya?
Which one is the beautify button?
Yeah, I'm pointing it out to you. Beautify. Listen, beautify.
Oh, yes, yes, yes.
Okay, right. By the way, Yolanda 1, can you see where I put the number 1? I put the 1 at the end of your name, not in the front. Okay, Yolanda?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, now
Yes.
let me just run the program. Click on the run button. And there it is at the bottom over there. Gives me the answer of 90. Okay,
90.
Yolanda? All right.
Yes.
Right. So let me take another question quickly now. Time is running. It's already 5 to 1. Let me take another question from here. And it says, what is the value of X after the following statement has been executed? So I can copy that. Control C. I go to my code blocks, or I can go to my delete that. Control V, oopsie, not Control V. If it does Control V, right click and I say paste. Right, now I need to display that. C out, and Yolanda,
Out.
can you see I'm using it without a? Without a?
Inverted comma.
Yeah, right?
Inverted.
Okay,
Yes.
so let me just run this program. And does it give me an answer? Right, right. Okay, I don't do it. Oh, by the way, I don't help questions with questions. Let me go check that out. Right. 8. Okay, so this is how one way of answering this assignment question is to see if you use your compiler. All right, so let's run this program again. I can do it there, or I can do it inside code blocks. Control C. I open up my code blocks. Delete all of that. Control V. Am I a fast typist, Yolanda?
Yes, you are.
I'm extremely fast. Right? You know why? Time is running now. Some people have to leave and it's 3 minutes to 1 and all that goes with it. All right. So let me just run the program again. There's the answer. The answer is 3. Oh,
Yes.
right. There's the answer 3. Maybe we can take a photo and post this in our WhatsApp group, right? It's nice to have a WhatsApp group. And there we go. And I'm going to paste that. Right, you keep your WhatsApp open. Which other lecturer will tell you keep your WhatsApp open in your class, huh? Right. And right, there we go, right? I've helped you with that. It's 3 minutes, it's 3 minutes to 1. I'm going to stop here. This is how you're going to answer these questions, right? Question 12, you're gonna see what this percentage sign means. This percentage sign in question number 13 means modulus. 15 divided by 4, and what's the remainder, right? Same thing you're going to do work with this one, right? Oh, look at this about the age. Check all of this out, right? And how many questions are here in this assignment? There's quite a number of them, right? There's about, 50 questions, not 50. There's 55, right? And next week, Saturday, we'll talk about some questions as well, right? By then, you should have answered most of them. All right, there's the for loop. Ooh, you got a lot to work on. The for loop and the do loop. So Wonga, forget about the exam questions. Start answering this assignment question. It's due next week, Monday. All right? All right. Look at this. How many times is high printed? Ooh, this looks like a nice question. So I'm going to copy that. Control C. I'm going to go open up my code blocks. I'm going to use my code blocks to help me to answer the question. Control V. And I don't answer assignment questions for you. Let's compile that. Let's compile that. Yolanda's laughing. Why are you laughing, Yolanda?
Not Yolanda.
Yolanda.
It's not really laughing.
Oh, okay. It's Yolanda 2.
Yolanda 4.
Oh, Yolanda 4. Right. Let's just run this program. Hi, it only ran it once. Oh, check it out. Check it out. What happened there? Why did it only run it once? Oh, this is a trick question. This is a trick question. This is a trick question. Yolanda 4 or Yolanda 1. Did you check it out, Yolanda?
Yes, sir, I did.
Right now.
I did.
You did. You did. Right, come on, make it more interesting, all right? Just to show off how much I know, all right? Show off how much I know. I'm going to put that into curly brackets. And I'm going to run the program, compile the program, and I'm going to run the program. Compile the program, and I'm going to run the program. Ha 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 ha. Check it out.
Yes.
Right? Any romantic
Yeah.
people out here? Any romantic people out here that, you know,
Uh,
Quena, you romantic?
I try.
Okay, try. This is how you do it, right? Right. How's
50
that?
times.
How's that? Hey, check it out, Quena. Quena.
Yeah.
Yes, yeah,
Yeah. You check it out. Isn't that romantic?
it is.
Thank you. Now, don't put C++. Now, put your girlfriend's name or your wife's or anybody, right? So check it out. Right. Now, it's important that you begin to love the subject, because if you're in a relationship and you don't love the subject matter, then it's not going to work, okay? Okay.
So do you want us to
Yes.
start typing love letters using the program?
Of course. Right? You just use the program,
Okay.
right? Earlier on, Wonga and I asked, we asked questions, how are you, and all of that goes with it, right? So I can also do the same thing in online GDB. Quena, you know you don't have your code blocks, so you got to
Yes,
use,
sir.
right? So I'm going to, right? I'm going to copy that, edit, and I'm going to copy it. I'm going to open up my, and I'm going to paste it, and I can also use online GDB, right? And where's my beautify button? There's my beautify button. I'm going to beautify this. I'm going to teach you about this in a couple of weeks' time, about indenting and beautifying and leaving some lines in between and all of that, right? Okay, so I'm not going to ask you who you love and all of that. Okay, let's just put INP1505, right? Let's run the program. And there we go. At the bottom of it all, it says that, right? Okay. Thank you very much, class. It's 13:02. That's 2 minutes past 1. I'm going to stop at this point. I hope I've helped you to answer some assignment questions. You need to answer the assignment questions before the 15th of April. Okay? Because you never know when some site will go down and what's going to happen, right? Okay, so let's answer some questions in the chat. I'm sorry, I'm busy in the chat. I didn't check what's going on. Kindly share your number so that I can add you if you still haven't accessed the group. Oh, is that Cyril? Okay, Cyril will help you to add you to that. Hey, Cyril, you share a name with somebody famous in South Africa? You know Cyril, that's a reserved word. Cyril? You never know. Maybe it's the real Cyril.
Yes, sir.
Cyril?
Great nephew.
Cyril, are
Yes,
you
sir,
a
I mean-
reserved word? Okay.
Yeah, I'm
What's
gonna
the
pay for
WhatsApp
one.
number? Right, Cyril, I'm going to make you a WhatsApp administrator. You know, I never know if Cyril is the real Cyril or not, right? Okay, right, going to do that. Cyril,
He's
just
the cousin.
right, Cyril, you do that for me. Okay. Any burning
No,
questions
that's
that
okay.
you have for me? Anybody with a burning question?
I have.
I have, sir. Okay.
Okay, go ahead, ladies first.
It is yes.
I don't understand. Wait, can we go back to the code block?
Okay, let's go back to code blocks. Right. Share my screen and code blocks. Right. Okay, I'm sharing code blocks. Go ahead.
Yeah, on number 7, where it says I is equals to 1, and then I is greater than 10?
Less than
and then
10.
I
Less
plus
than 10.
plus.
Yeah.
Less, oh my gosh, less than 10. And
Yeah.
then I plus plus, like, so
Yeah.
can you explain the line number 7?
Okay, sure. This is in lesson, it's in lesson, I think, I don't know, 10, 11, 12. This is a for loop. This tells you that int I, your for loop starts from position 0. It runs 1 less than 10. I plus means it's incremented by 1. So you've got a lot of work to do, my dear, before you come to the for loop. And you only got a week to do it. So you have to go and read up on the for loop. Let's see where the for loop, they talk about the for loop. The for loop, control F, F-O-R-L-O-P. The for loop is in lesson number 15. So you will have to go through all your lessons, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, before you come to this one. But I just helped you and gave you some tricks of answering this question without jumping all the way to question 15, lesson 15, because you don't have time. Don't you have boyfriend 101 and work 201 and all of that to help you work with it, right? Okay. All right. Does it answer your question? Thank you. Next question.
Hello, sir.
Hello.
Yes, I'm trying to answer question number 4.
Question number 4. Right. Let's look at what question number 4 is. Right. Like I don't answer assignment questions, huh? I do not answer assignment questions.
Because I'm trying to do it. It says expected initial. How do we fix an error whereby it says expected initializer before
Right.
X?
What is the value of X after the following statement is executed, right? Let me go and ask my friend code blocks, control C. Let's go to code blocks. Let's go to code blocks. Right. So I've got a help here, control V. Watch that. Aren't I a fast typist? Am I a fast typist or what?
It's like that.
Right. Let me go and compile this. Hey, there's no error over there. It says it's fine.
Let me see where did I go wrong?
Yeah, where did you go wrong?
It says the same.
Anybody knows the answer, but don't tell it out. Don't say it out loud. It's going to be on the recording. Okay, there's no problem with that question. All right. Okay. There's no problem with that question.
I can't fix the error. That's the problem.
You can't see the error. Okay.
I can't fix the error. I'm doing the answer question 4.
Okay.
Question number 4. But
okay, you need to struggle a little bit longer on that, right? You need to struggle with it.
Yes.
That's programming, right? Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, next question quickly. Come, I gotta go. I also got wife 101 waiting for me. Yes.
Yes, sir. Oh, sorry. Can I go first?
Okay.
Sure.
All right, thank you. So, I'm seeing yes on your code block. Please open it again.
Okay, sorry. Yes. Yes.
It says code 1, 2, 30, 03. Is that a problem?
X plus 30.
No.
What about it?
CPP code blocks 1712 and mine that I downloaded blocks 2.
Okay, this is a version 17.12. This is version 17.12. All right. I've been doing it for a number of years and I never upgraded. Okay, you are version 20.12. That's fine. As long as it works, as long as you get the output, that's fine.
But on mine, I think before I proceed with attempting let me download the 17 1 2 and see
okay,
if it
sure.
works better.
Sure.
Yeah.
In fact, 17.12
right.
works. It works for me like a charm, right? And let me just share the link with you. from my Google Drive,
Please.
right? Because
Thank
that works like a dream for me, right? And I've been doing it for a number of years. I know people
That's
say,
all
why don't you go
right.
and upgrade? I said,
Something
no,
that
man.
works.
Yeah, keep with what
Mhm.
works. If it ain't broke, don't fix it. That's what I say, you know.
Exactly.
Yeah,
Thank you.
yeah. So I'm gonna share my Google Drive with you, right, where I have I've got version 17.12. I'll do it now because hey, that works like a dream. 17.12 works like a dream. It loads the Ming compiler and everything, no problem. You know, just like
Yeah, Bon.
right. In fact, just send me an email and I'll do it for you. There's J,
Yeah.
right?
I'll
I'm
do
gonna
that.
say share it, copy the link, and I'm gonna share it in my I'll share it in the Zoom chat. Right?
Yeah.
thank you, sir.
I'll just copy it there. Thank you
Yeah,
very much.
everyone, because this works like a dream. Control V.
Siyabonga.
Siyabonga, thank you. You're welcome, right? Everyone in the meeting, right? So that's sorted your problem out, right? But if you're still having hassles with that, because time is of the essence, you run the online GDB, okay? Okay.
All right.
You just click on this link and it'll add sort you out from there. Thank you, and Siyabonga. Right, next question.
Yes, sir.
Who's asking the question?
Hi, sir.
Hi, hello, go ahead.
Yes, I wanted to ask regarding the Hello World. So I do have code blocks on my laptop. However, I cannot run it. On that folder where it says logs and others, it's blank. It's not showing any error
Right.
or anything.
Okay, this is my advice to you. I don't fix something. I just uninstall it and reinstall. Okay, so my advice to you is use this version 17.12. It'll help you in terms of setting up your code blocks. Okay, so I shared that in the chat. My advice is go to your settings, remove the program, go to control panel, programs, PROGR, add remove programs, go and remove code blocks, right? Your version, and use my version 17.12. Right? Make friends with Wanga. Wanga and you are going to be working. There's it there. Right? I got version 17.12. Right? Go and take it out. You click on what your version is, and you use my version. My version works well. And is that Yolanda that was talking? You can also use online GDB,
Thank
right?
you, sir.
You're welcome. Next question.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Yes.
I'd like to ask about the closing date of the quiz. Is it now changed to 10 April?
According to what I'm seeing on it says 15th of April. 15th of April. You've got 9 days. And guess what? You have to work very hard to answer this assignment question. It's a lot of work. It's a lot of work, right? You can't do it the night before. You'll never finish it. Okay?
Oh, okay, because I was confused because on the model app it says 10 April.
Oh, well, now MAMA is extended to 15th of April, right?
Oh, okay, thank you.
If you can finish it by the 10th of April, well and good. Can you finish it in 4 days' time?
No.
No. Okay. All right. It's due on the 15th of April. There's it written in black and white here. Okay.
Okay, last question. Is the WhatsApp group the one where they shared a Zoom meeting, or there's another WhatsApp group?
The one where I shared the Zoom meeting.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
All right. Next question.
Sir, I have sent a picture here on the chat because I've just downloaded the code block.
You sent a picture on the chat. Okay. Let me go and check the chat.
Yes, it's Moses Komana.
Moses, I can't see your question. I can't see it.
Not on the WhatsApp. I've sent it now on the live on the Zoom.
On Zoom, okay. Can you please mute if you are not talking?
Excuse me,
Good day,
sir.
sir. Who? I can't see that picture.
Should I resend it?
What's the picture? Talk to me. Tell me. That's the whole purpose of the Zoom session. Why are you gonna send things? Talk.
Oh, I have. While you were starting the Zoom, you said we should download the code block. I've downloaded it. The problem is now I don't know where to start because I'm having options here. It's saying create a new project, open an existing project, tip of the weight, visit the code blocks. I don't know where to start.
Okay. Let me do that for you quickly, right? So
Yes, sir.
this is how you. I'm gonna answer this question for you. So you say code blocks. You
Yes,
click
sir.
on code blocks. It'll open up like this, right?
Yes.
Your name? Who am I talking to?
It's Moses.
Moses, right? Moses. This is what you do, right? You say click create a new project, right, Moses?
Yes, I say create new project.
Right. Now you choose console application, Moses. Can you see console application?
Yes, I can see, sir.
Right. You double click on it. Moses, do you choose C or C++?
I say C++.
Correct. And you click on next, right? And then you give it a
Yes.
nice name. Give it a nice name, Moses.
Moses.
Right. Moses, who parted the Red Sea, right?
Yes.
You have a very powerful name, right? You say next, and you say finish.
Yes,
and then can you
I
see
say
Moses on the it says sources out there? You double click on main CPP, right? And there we go.
Yes.
And you say hello, Moses. Okay, Moses?
Thanks, sir. Oh, my computer's still saying a debugging check in application has failed.
Right, Moses.
Yes,
Wanga's having the same problem. Yolanda's having the same problem. Uninstall your code blocks and click on the link that I sent in the chat about the Dropbox folder, right? And you use my version. That'll help sort your problem out.
Okay, I should install mine and download the one you've sent on the Zoom, the link you sent on the Zoom.
Yes.
Okay.
Right,
Thanks,
because that helps sort out problems like this, right? I'm going to post it in the WhatsApp group as well, right?
Okay, sir.
There's a link to download to load version 17.12, right?
Okay.
Okay, but Moses, if you're having a problem, you go and use the online GDB, okay?
Okay, sir.
Right, thank you. Next question. Henrik asked the question, I was wondering if you had a schedule of work that had to be done before the first assignment. Yes, Henrik, go and have a look at the questions and look at the lessons in terms of how you need to install, right? Yes, Henrik, you can WhatsApp me as well. Lucano, good day, sir. I would like to know if there's any software that we must download. Yes, code blocks. Tabo Butelezi gave me your cell phone number, 062. Okay, that's fine. Right, thank you. I've answered those questions. Right. Any other questions?
I think that's it.
That's it. Anybody else with another question? Okay, it's now 18 minutes past 1. Hey. Right. Can we take a quick photograph? Put your camera on. Let's take a quick photo. I promised a photograph to everybody. I gotta go. My wife's here. She wants to go shopping.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for the lesson.
You're welcome. I'll see you next week, Saturday.
All right. Thanks. Bye.
Right. Come on, let's put your camera on. Everybody put your camera on. I can see somebody with big there. This stop my video. Put my video on. Hello. Everybody, camera on. Let's go to gallery. And let's go share screen. Share screen. Give me a second. Sorry, I'm just closing my stuff. And Participants, stop share, and right. Everybody, get ready to smile. Get ready to smile. Smile, smile. Right. And copy that. Open up your WhatsApp.
Let's see our ugly faces.
Open up your WhatsApp. I hope I got all of you. Should we do another photograph quickly? Why don't they show us? Right. Okay, thank you. Oh, there's another page of people.
I can't find myself.
Okay, I'm taking another photograph now. Done. Copy.
Yo.
Okay, go to the WhatsApp and see if our photo is there. There's the 2 pages of photographs. Okay, who's missing from the photographs? Stay on and I'll take another photograph.
I'm still checking.
Okay, check quickly. Hello, Justice. Justice got headphones. Cyril. Oh, no. This is not the real Cyril, the other Cyril. Ah, lucky you put your camera on, Cyril. You're not. Quena. Hello, Quena. Hello, Moses. With the blue shirt.
Hello, sir.
And Dora. Hello, Dora. Ibrahim. Tabasile. Patience. Leta. Okay. And Tawana, Tirwn.
Hi, sir.
Hi. Okay, I gotta go. It's 1:20. I told my wife I'm only gonna be half an hour, and now I'm 1.5 hours. Right? She's gonna kill me. Right. So let me go. Okay. Bye, everybody. I'm gonna stop the recording.